B in Computers, currently pursuing MTech in AI from Reva University, Bangalore. In this video, you will learn how to search string from the given images. Over here, we will be installing EasyOCR and Pytorch. How to use EasyOCR and how to search within using this library. EasyOCR is a library developed by JJ AI. It's basically a Thai company and they have made it open source. Talking about EasyOCR, it's a library which helps to which supports 80 plus different languages and all popular writing scripts including Latin, Chinese, Arabic, Devanagari. The detection method what is used over here is craft algorithm. Craft algorithm is also known as craft recognition awareness for text detection. Recognition model is CRNN. It is composed of three main components: features extraction. Over here we are using RSNet, VGG, sequence labeling, LSTM, and decoding CTC. I would be providing basic information about CRNN. The convolution recurrent neural network is a combination of two of the most prominent neural networks. It involves convolution neural network followed by recurrent neural networks. Convolution neural network is a deep learning algorithm which can take an input image, assign importance to the various aspects of objects in the image, and be able to differentiate from one another. Preprocessing required is a covenant is much lower as compared to other classification algorithms. While in primitive method, filters are hand engineered, while with enough training, covenant have an ability to learn with these filters or characteristics. Recurrent neural networks are a class of neural networks that are helpful in modeling sequence data derived from feed-forward networks. RNN exhibits similar behavior to how human brains function. It's a predictive results in a sequential data that other algorithms can't. OCR, just talking about OCR part, OCR is also known as optical character recognition, which allows to recognize a text within a document, whether it's an image, a PDF, or a table. It can easily extract this text to be able to use it for additional processing, NLP, or fit it in your regular workflow. Talking about EasyOCR a little bit more, or I would say the best part of EasyOCR is that it works with Python and is quite accurate without any fine tuning. This means you can spend less time in processing and much more time doing the funny stuff. What's even better is that in this video you will learn how to do it in just few minutes. So over here the business problem what I'm taking is that to how to search a string within the image. In the real world, most of the time we have encountered different forms of images. It can be regular, irregular images along with a text format within it. It is a challenging task to search any strings from them. So we have taken few images and extracted text from the given image. So we can just move to the installation process of EasyOCR. Meanwhile, this installation gets in process. I will just explain you the frameworks what EasyOCR is using, and this would be the image which contains Indian, Hindi, and English language, which has been detected by EasyOCR, and there is a bounding box in purple color. Currently, I have taken English and Hindi. You can take additional languages, which has been provided in EasyOCR documents. Over here, I have kept false since my laptop doesn't contain GPU. If you have GPU or you're using Google Colabs, you can ignore this one, or you can just remove it, as by default it's true. Over here, we are using PIL, which is also called as Python Imaging Library. is used for to image processing capability to your Python interpreter. These libraries provide extensive file format support and efficient internal representation and fairly powerful image processing capabilities. The core image library is designed for fast access to the data stored in a few basic pixel format. So currently I have taken Hindi English images. This is image what I have given as an input. Reader text. This is a most powerful and important function in EasyOCR. You can see the variables what they have provided: batch size, workers, block list, rotation info, paragraph. If you are a deep learning student or you have worked on deep learning, you would be nearly aware of all these parameters. You can even get it through EasyOCR Git repo. The main part what beam width is, or your default value of beam width is 5. If you increase it, it will increase the accuracy of your detection, but it will even slower down your process. The output received from read text is in list format. Have provided the link of this EasyOCR actual developers over here, which can be found in this GitHub repo. And thanks to all the contributors who are working on this library and making it powerful. This is nearly 2 years old library, which is still working on, is going on, and is very helpful for all the image processing peoples for detecting their objects or text. I'm just trying to convert this list into a pandas data frame so that it will be easy to understand. Let's try to bound the images whether it has been actually detected a text or not, just for a verification. Yeah, it has properly detected a text within the image. I have tried to search for a word ENT within the image, and it was able to provide me absent-minded details. So we were able to successfully detect the or search the text from the given image. Let's check for some another images so as to get a proper understanding. I'm just changing the name, image name, so that it would be better to understand. This is the image what we have to detect, and let's search for the word problems. It has been converted properly, and it has detected all the text what were present in this image. Let's search for problems within the given image. Yes, it was able to search. Now let's check whether there is some string which are present in multiple lines. So over here we can check an. This an is also in change and is also available in substance. Yeah. So there are nearly 5 strings which we are able to detect. So I hope you are able to understand how to install EasyOCR, how to install Pytorch in your local machine on Google Colabs, and how to search a text within a given image. Thank you.